Okay, to make sure we're on the same page here, this was the original work, and you're looking to take the drawer stacks, which are these, and put them on this exterior wall. This is the original desk. So take these two, not these, and put them on this wall, like this, and then a new countertop across the two of them. It's the same width. There's 44.5 inches in between these two. Same thing here. Is this what you're looking for? And we could reuse these cabinets. The toe kicks have to be rebuilt, and the paneling on the side, we'd have to redo those. Let me know. Thanks.